Welcome to Pete's World of Poisonous Plants. Our gardens look beautiful, don't they? A splash of color here, a lovely perfume there, and the occasional attempt to kill you. Yes, lurking amongst the roses and rhubarb, some of the most common plants can cause real harm if you're not careful. So today, we're talking about how to stay safe in your very own garden of poisonous plants. First rule of poisonous plants: never assume safety just because it's common. Foxgloves, for example, are as British as a rainy summer holiday, yet every part of them contains deadly cardiac glycosides. They can stop your heart faster than a tax bill if swallowed. So don't nibble the petals, and maybe tell the kids and the dog that these pretty spikes are strictly hands-off. Then there's daffodils. Lovely in spring, but the bulbs look remarkably like onions. Plenty of cases in the UK where someone's cooked up a daffodil soup thinking it's veggie. Spoiler, it isn't. Instead of a hearty broth, you'll end up with violent vomiting, diarrhea, and a phone call to NHS 111. Always label your bulbs and never store them with the spuds. Rhododendrons and azaleas? Stunning shrubs, especially in bloom, but the nectar can produce what's known as mad honey poisoning, causing dizziness, low blood pressure, and hallucinations. Lovely if you're after a psychedelic weekend, not so lovely when you're flat on the lawn wishing you hadn't tried the bees' homemade brew. And don't forget lily of the valley. Delicate, dainty, and deceptively dangerous, the tiny white bells are crammed with toxins, similar to foxglove. Even the water from a vase can cause heart problems, so if you cut them for the house, keep the vase well out of reach of children and pets. Speaking of pets, they're often at greatest risk. Dogs chewing laburnum pods, cats playing with lilies. It happens more often than you'd think. If you've got four-legged friends, know what's in your garden and block off access to the nastier specimens. So how do you protect yourself without paving the entire garden over and declaring war on the plant kingdom? Simple. Wear gloves when handling unknown plants. Some species, like rue or giant hogweed, can cause severe skin burns when exposed to sunlight. Label your bulbs and seeds clearly so nothing gets mixed up with your dinner. Teach children never to snack on berries or leaves, no matter how tempting. Bright red berries rarely end well. Handle clippings carefully. Burning certain plants like oleander or cherry laurel releases toxic smoke. Bag and bin them instead. Know your plants. A quick check before planting something new can save you a world of pain. Gardening should be a pleasure, not a trip to A&E. Treat poisonous plants with the respect they deserve, and they'll reward you with beauty at a safe distance. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give it a like, subscribe for more tales of toxic greenery, and remember, just because it grows in your garden doesn't mean it wants to be your friend.